Spy full bird dog 75 fire mission.
Yep, send for fire mission.
Reference marker SPG Tech southwest friendlies. Wait for friendly lock.
Waiting.
All friendlies are northeast of fire mission. Use some rockets, just use them sparingly. Come in from the southeast and then back to whole point south.
Affirm, setting it up.
Infantry call sign bird dog on 605 mission inbound on SPG Tech to your southwest 900 meters. Spy full bird dog. I'm going to give you a grid ref for SPG Tech.
Affirm, send grid.
Grid is 0400. Wait, break. Yeah, 040072.
040072.
Roger, cleared, hold on it.
Blackjack displays, we are not
Fire mission complete.
from Angerton.
Copy on last.
Roger, Spy full, are you able to give me a BDA? I'm out of sight.
BDT2.
Stand by.
Marked on the map. We're going to try and get around this stuff.
Furthermore, I have also observed a second, what looks like a Land Rover to the southeast of that specific Land Rover.
Roger, Spy full. I'll set you up for a fire mission on the Tech and BTR 40 marker just southwest of LaVille.
Affirm, I'll get your BDA, then I'll get on that.
We're going to follow along behind you and try to support what we can.
Copy on last.
Target SPG Tech is burning.
Roger, need fire mission on BTR 40 and Tech southwest of LaVille. Come in east and then back to HP south.
Please send grid.
Grid is 047072. Southwest small town of LaVille.
047072. Copy.
Roger, further remarks, friendlies are 500 meters northeast and north. Infantry call signs bird dog 60, strike inbound on the BTR 40 and Tech marker southwest of LaVale. Bird dog returning 70. Your eyes on that strike. Rifle.
Wait one. Shit. Wait one, I'm just still setting it up for a positive ID.
You should be able to come in on a southeast. Eric.
Yep, gotcha. Run going in. Fire mission complete. Fuck. Bird Dog, this is Spiteful. Had a radar lock momentarily, possibly missile lock. I've evaded it.
Roger, Spiteful, what's your altitude?
It was fairly high. I've dropped to about 400 meters.
Roger, set a flight ceiling of 600, dropping as needed.
AFM. Bird Dog, this is Spiteful. I am observing possibly a platoon of infantry leaving Goyce heading southeast towards BJ Rally.
How far out of town are they?
Not too far, maybe 200 meters. I'll get a more precise mark for you in one moment.
Roger.
Blackjack, I believe, has got one times member down, who's unable to do anything in the field. He's requested to be respotted or kicked back out the lobby.
Mark is platoon
By
infantry
Mark
with an
BJ
arrow
Rally.
indicating direction of travel.
Roger, set up a fire mission on it. If you can come in from the north and then break southeast, use some guns on it. Use some rockets, make sure they die.
Yep, understood.
Gladius and Blackjack, Bird Dog 6-0, strike inbound north in the low ground. Platoon of infantry moving from the town of Goyce towards our northern flank.
Oh, these guys are so fucked. Fire mission complete, withdrawing south.
Come back around, same bearing, get eyes on it, see if it's still there.
AFM.
Hey, whereabouts are you? Can you move to the south end of HP South? I need a strike for you.
Yep, can set that up. South end, HP South.
Actually,
Wait,
never mind. Your angle will work. If you come around and hold north.
Blackjack,
AFM, north of the AO, gotcha.
User left your channel.
Blackjack, this is Gladius Minor. Do you copy?
Spiteful is holding at HP North.
Apollo, this is Gladius Minor. Do you
User
copy?
joined your channel.
Spiteful, prep for a danger close fire mission. Reference marker SPG Tech with strike through. Grid reference 040072. We'll mark with red smoke.
Blackjack or Gladius Actual?
Yeah, AFM.
Gladius Minor unknown. You guys are the ones in the field, but I don't have access to that information, so you'll have to use CTAB or try and contact them.
User disconnected from your channel.
Copy that.
Recon to SGPG.
Spiteful, come in now. I'll put another red smoke. I need gun run on the SPG Tech.
Sorry.
AFM, setting that up.
Spiteful, be aware friendlies are split all over the AO. I am to the west, friendlies are to the east. do not know where Gladius is, but I believe they're further northeast. Just come in now on SBG Tech at 040072. I will mark.
Coming in now.
Come back around, repeat rockets.
Affirm. Bird Dog, confirm you want the red smoke struck or the thermal contacts that I see?
If you hit the thermal contacts
User
around the red
joined your
smoke, hit
channel.
that. I'm no longer at BJ fallback.
Understood. I have you now, fucker. Mission complete. Coming around.
User left your channel.
Spyful Bird Dog,
User
can
joined
you
your
move
channel.
to Hull Point North, start getting recon out through Glado B2 and the town of Goys?
Affirm. Hold point north. Glado P2, town of Goyce. Gotcha.
Yeah, copy on last.
Infantry call signs Bird Dog 60, southeast 700 meters infantry on the MSR. Spyful, come back around, repeat, still hearing shots out there.
Affirm. The infantry appear to be fairly dispersed. I'll try again.
Roger Spyful, a north-south strike will do well.
Affirm. Setting it up.
Spyful, can you see lasers?
No clue. Wait one.
Lasers on, I can give you good ref.
Do not see lays, but I have a target. Again, they're dispersed. I think I got maybe 3 or 4.
Spyful, come around, reference FM123 further southeast up the hill. Use rockets, blanket these fuckers. Full squad moving northwest.
We are taking contact from the southwest.
Can you give me a grid, please?
Yeah, we've got a lot of infantry trickling down the hill from the southeast. If you want to come out and help.
Grid is 040080.
That is negative. I recommend that we just
Affirm, 1
organize
second.
distraction, unless we want to try and get that chopper right just out of here and over
Reference
to the island.
green arrow, that's their movement. Just blanket 50-meter area. You'll get them.
Yep, seen. Coming
Yeah,
around.
copy. We can do that. We could probably commandeer this Kajari Travels bus. Party bus out of here.
Copy. Gladius has still got Terran V.
Yeah, bring that back if you can.
Gladius, on your
Alright,
way
we'll just go
in.
pull
Look
out.
just south of
Pull
the
out from
marker. Yeah, just south of it. Actually, green arrow's accurate.
Bingo rockets.
This is Spidey, we're pulling back towards the vehicle.
67 rounds left with the gun.
Roger, Spyful, you out of rockets?
Yeah, copy on that.
Yep, bingo rockets.
Come back, just hold. Let me know, can you just get eyes on those guys?
Yep, will do. Counting 5 in the open, heading west.
Yeah, come back in and hit them. We're planning to retreat in a bus.
Affirm coming around, setting up north to south. Guns, guns, guns.
Blackjack, this is Spidey, so you all good?
We're just trying to exfil at the moment. We should be alright.
That is completely Winchester.
Spyful, just stay on station and let me know how if they get into the town. We're trying to retreat under heavy fire. If you can lure some of the fire by doing low shower force flies on the east of the town.
Yep, can do.